Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going on a solo date. Why I decided to go solo? Because I'm tired of asking my friends कि let's go somewhere. Because जब तुम बड़े हो जाते हो सबके सारे फ्रेंड्स के अलग अलग प्लान्स होते हैं. Everyone is busy with their own work. So उसके लिए मैं हमेशा दूसरों के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं रह सकती, right? I can't get mad also with them because everyone has their own life and everyone is busy. So I just decided to go by myself. Now I am planning to go to a cafe. I will have something, then I will go to a park, then I will read something. I am carrying my sketchbook, my journal, novels, and few more things. And maybe I will talk with you guys in between. And yeah, just want to go out. When I was a kid, I was not even allowed to go 5 kilometers alone. So when I am in a different city, the freedom I always wanted, I wanted to explore new things, go to new places. So if I am outside now in a different new city, why I am wasting my time sitting in a single room whole day doing nothing? So I just thought to go somewhere and explore new things. I think it's better to go somewhere than staying in your own room and doing nothing. So yeah, just want to give it a try. Let's go. So I have ordered one veg breakfast set and drinks. And in cold drinks, I ordered their cherry tree signature. So that's all we are gonna have right now. This is the first time I am coming to this cafe. Let's see how it goes. It's, by the way, very, very beautiful. The ambience is so nice, so gorgeous, very aesthetic. मैंने सोचा था हजरतगंज में जाऊंगी, बट बादशाह नगर इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई room, so I just thought to come here. So I have bought my sketchbook with me. So I'm not good at sketching, but I will try. Anyway, I'm going to spend my day like this, so it's better that thing special that I have never done before. So let's do it. What I ordered. This is the first time coming to a very expensive cafe, and I did. So they give an complete, it's a tomato. I don't know how to eat it, but still. These are mushrooms. Good. It's too much for me. I think I will not be able to finish it. I made this, okay? I know this is nothing compared to this. This is so beautiful, but yeah. I had a great time in the cafe. Now I came to a park. It's called Gautam Buddha Park. What's called Gautam Buddha Park, okay? I just entered here. This is the first time I'm visiting this park. I don't know कैसा होगा. Damn, it's good. Whoa. जहाँ भी मुझे फूल दिख गए, बस फूल ही काफ़ी है मुझे खुश करने के लिए. This is nice. I will find a place, then I will sit and read my book. It's good. Wow, class. Wow, it's so nice. I didn't expect that. Oh. Wow, it's so nice. This is such a nice place to sit and read. Wow, I like it. Guys, look, Charminar. I want to click picture there, but I don't have anyone जो मेरा फोटो क्लिक कर दे. God, दोस्त बनाना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे जो फोटो क्लिक कर दे. This place is so beautiful. It's been 4 years. Oh, Charminar, Qutub Minar. Wow. Qutub Minar is also here. I want somebody to click my picture. This is so nice. It's been 4 years. I'm in Lucknow, but I have never visited this park. और इतना खाली है यहाँ पे, कोई है भी नहीं. This is so peaceful. I really like it. This is Instagram. All the Instagram aesthetics that you need is here. My solo date is going really well. I found a really nice place here. Let me show you. This. I am sitting here and reading my novel in this beautiful view. And this is my front view. This is so nice. I didn't expect that. I'm really, really enjoying my time here. It's so nice. And there is no one, literally no one here. See, there is no one. I can sit here and read as much as I can. It's so nice. You know what is the best part? I travel with Rapido bike, okay, and it hardly takes any money, and it's so nice. If you are traveling solo, you can go anywhere and it hardly takes any money. It's not that expensive. Yeah, spending time is really nice. Okay, I am a big fan of Colin Hoover. I have read so many books of her. Hey, the train is coming, bro. Wait, let me show you. This is so nice. Okay, so I have read so many books of her. तो मैंने start किया था It Ends With Us, then It Starts With Us, then I read Ugly Love, then I read 9 November, and now this girl. So I just love how she writes. I just love reading Colin Hoover. I graduated last year and all my friends went to their hometown and I became completely alone here and I had no friends here and there is no way I was going out because my college has finished and my coaching that I was doing that also got over. Then I didn't have any reason to go out nor did I had any friend. So I was just completely alone and it was so frustrating to stay in a single room. I it was almost 3-4 months that I didn't even went out from my room. So it was so frustrating. I just thought that if I want to do something I need to go out. No one will gonna come to my place, my room and see like how are you, let's be friends. It's not gonna happen. Only when I will step out then something will happen. So at least I will spend some time outside and your room तुम्हें अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स ही दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स लगती है. बट व्हेन यू गो आउट यू रियलाइज दैट देर इज सो मच गोइंग ऑन इन दिस वर्ल्ड. यू आर नथिंग. So it's better not to take your things so seriously and live life, not to overthink. So I just finally I was so frustrated. So it was a very quick decision that I want to go out and let's see what happens. And I just came out and I'm just sitting in a park. It's a beautiful park with lot of flowers and I am not someone who like crowded places, so there is no one here and I really like this place. It's just so nice. I'm sitting and reading my novel. I went to that cafe and I sketch a bit. So I really had a great time. I love reading romance novels and I love reading poetries. And the book that I'm reading, this girl, it is a romance novel and it has poetries too. So it's like a bonus for me and I just love it. And I'm enjoying my time here. It's just so nice. I'm sitting with my book. I just love sitting alone and I have my sketchbook with me, so it's not boring. I just love this time. It's just so nice. The kids are here and they helped me to click pictures. I was completely alone and तो कोई नहीं था मेरे पास फोटो क्लिक करने के लिए. तो I asked them कि will you click some pictures of mine? Then they said yes. It's a statue here. Really nice. अभी इवनिंग हो गया है तो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा दिस लुक्स रियली नाइस नाउ. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. वाओ, आई जस्ट लव इट. आई लव ग्रीनरी मैन. कितने एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं अगर आपको उनको पता चले कि आप यूट्यूबर हो. तो दीदी क्या हम वीडियो में आ जाए. दे आर सो हैप्पी. Wow, I really had a great time today. I really like it. तो मैंने उनको बोला कुतुब मीनार के सामने भी एक फ़ोटो खींच दो. दिस कुतुब मीनार, नॉट द रियल वन. ओके, अभी इतना बजट में इतना ही आएगा. But I really like it. I clicked some nice pictures. And now the Charminar. Charminar is आई एम थिंकिंग दैट आई विल स्टे टिल इट गेट्स डार्क. मुझे लगता है रात में यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा और जब लाइटिंग होगी तो वाओ.
हमको डरा दिया ये.
So it's almost 6 p.m. now, so I have to reach my room. I have 20% बैटरी, तो मेरा फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ होने से पहले मुझे घर पहुंचना पड़ेगा बिकॉज़ मैं कभी भी कैश नहीं रखती. मैं हमेशा ऑनलाइन पेमेंट होता है मेरा, और मैं ऊबर से जाऊंगी, तो अगर मेरा फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ हो गया तो फिर मैं घर नहीं जा सकती. सो इट्स बेटर. आई रियली हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम. All the time when I was in front of the camera, I didn't feel at all that I was alone. I felt like I was with my friend. I am spending time and I'm talking simultaneously, so it was great. So if you liked my blog, please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.